How to change bullet point color in Canva. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you can change bullet point color in Canva. So first of all, you need to open a new browsing tab and log into your Canva account and sign into your Canva account. And after opening a project, as you can see, here's a project called River Crafting Essentials. So let's just create some bullet points for this doc. So as you can see, after selecting the points, we just have to click on the list option from here, and the bullet points has been created. And after that, we have to click on the text color from here, and we can just give it any color. Like as you can see, we can make it this color, or this color. And as you can see, the bullet point color has been changed, and that's how you change the color of your bullet points. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.